Today I want to show you this set of playing cards that I bought for backpacking, but also work great for travel. If you like to take games on the road with you like I do, then this Air Deck set of playing cards is a much smaller, lighter alternative than a full-size deck. These are a good option over those little mini playing cards that are kind of small and hard to hold because these are the same length as a regular deck. Playing with them is almost identical to playing with a regular set of cards. The reason these cards are great for backpacking is because of the durable material. They're made out of this lightweight PVC, which makes them completely waterproof. You can bend and twist these things, get them wet, and they're not gonna fall apart like regular playing cards. And if you spill something on these cards, or if they get wet on your pack during a rainstorm, then you can just wash them off and you're good to go. Looking at the use on these things, they're about the same thickness as a regular set of playing cards, but because they're made out of PVC, they're quite a bit more slippery. And the shuffling is considerably less satisfying than with a regular deck. These regular cards, you can do a pretty nice shuffle and bridge with these. And then after a while, one of the great things on playing cards is they kind of get this nice broken in feel to them. And then playing with a set of Air Deck cards is never going to be the same as a regular deck. You can shuffle these things just fine, but trying to get the bridge on there, it just doesn't work. And they're kind of plasticky, so they do kind of tend to slide around on you a lot. Some of the obvious pros of the Air Deck is they're just small, lightweight, they're very durable. You don't have to worry about getting these things wet or ruining them in your pack. You can play with them outside, and they're a much lighter alternative to a regular set of cards. The cons are just the plastic feel that makes them really durable. They're just not as satisfying to play with as a regular set. You just can't get that nice shuffle. You can't get that nice bridge. Cards kind of slide around. They feel a little bit weirder in your hand when you're playing with them, and they're just never gonna quite break in the same as a nice regular set of cards. They're also kind of expensive at about $9 for this blue set on Amazon. They're at least 3 times more than a regular set, which you'd probably pay a couple bucks for if you don't already have one sitting around your house. All in all, I think these are a good option for travel. It's kind of a non-starter for me to carry a full set of cards. I'd be more apt to just carry some pigs or dice or some other kind of mini game. But with these, they're small enough that I feel comfortable carrying them for the weight ratio. And they're expensive, but they're really durable and they're really never gonna fall apart on you. So I'm gonna be wrapping up my year here on Bag Review Land with a few more product reviews. I realize I have a bunch of stuff floating around that I use all the time. Haven't really featured it on my channel, so stick around for those, and thanks for watching.